Hello everyone, welcome to Arun's TechForge Automate with Langflow series. Today we will learn how to use Ollama with agents in Langflow. So let us begin. I am running Langflow in my Docker and it is running. So I will be using local LLM, that is private. So for that I have already downloaded Ollama. In case you have not downloaded yet, you can go to ollama.com, just click on the download, select your operating system and you are done. Okay guys, now see, this is Ollama running locally in my system and I'm having 15 gigs of RAM. And I downloaded one 3.4 billion. So you can find suppose LLM, Llama or any other model you want to find, you can find here and download. Gamma is there. I think Gamma is mystery. Let me see. Yeah, Mini Max is there. So whatever model is there, you can just grab a model you want to use. So in my case, I have downloaded one 3.4 billion parameter model. Let me see. So it is answering, right? Anyway, it's answering a little more. Anyway, let us see how we can create a workflow. Click on this new and let me click this agent, simple agent. I want to get rid of all of these things. So let us try this in the playground first. It should be using my OpenAI that I will change it anyway. So that I want to change it. What I need to do here, in order to use Ollama, I first need to come to this place and connect to other models. So in the list you can see so many models are there, right? You see Ollama is also there. So just drag Ollama. I want to beautify it actually. Now connect this here and here let us see OpenAI. No, select a model. Let me refresh it. So it has selected the URL automatically. Since it is running in a Docker 11434 port number and I have the one 3.4 billion. So this is the only model I am having. Guys, so I have selected that. No other change is required. So let us just test few things here. So we have a calculator tool, right? And the URL tool. Do I need to enter any other thing here? Yeah, tool model enable. This is by default enable. In case if it is disabled, then you have to enable it. If you want to use tools like URL, calculator, or something like that. So let us test this one now. Let's create a new session. Say hi. It will take a little more time because it's running locally. Okay. Say my GPU is using 86% right now. So it will take a while. Let's wait. No calls needed for this query. Okay, so let me say CLCULAT calculate 2 plus 2. Okay, so send it. Let's see what I get. The GPU 1 and 2 is running. Evaluate the expression. Yeah, see, it takes a lot of time, couple of time, right? Because it takes a lot of memory as well as the GPU. I have NVIDIA RTX 2070, which is a little older. So I'm getting results late. 2 plus 2. Next, what else we can do? Say, what is the conversion rate of USD 1? Okay, let me write 1 USD to INDIN Indian RUPEE. SEARC, search the web to find the latest rate. Okay, now click here. I hope we will get it. Let's see. Let's wait for a while. It's taking a little longer time. So it could not able to convert it. The search result source query does not provide. Maybe I will write CUNVER to convert $1 to INR. Let us do it again. Okay. Yeah, this time it found it correctly, right? 83. Okay, so this is the way you can use local LLM if you want to use. Okay, so this is it for today, guys. So the objective was to show you how you can use Ollama locally along with the Langflow. Okay, thank you so much and see you guys in next lecture. Please subscribe to my channel and also hit the like button. Please do join my inner circle. You will get the link from the description. Thank you so much and have a great day.